Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. मैं हूं अनुराधा and I have brought for you another important session where I'm going to discuss with you 10 sample answers for a very commonly asked question in the SSB interview psychological test. आपको पता है that there are 4 psychological tests which takes place in SSB, namely TAT, BAT, SRT and SDT. With the last psychological test यानी SDT जिसको हम self description test के नाम से जाना जाता है, उस टेस्ट में बेसिकली 5 क्वेश्चंस हर एसएसबी में पूछा जाता है जिसमें कैंडिडेट्स को हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए एक एक पैराग्राफ में आंसर्स लिखने पड़ते हैं। उनमें जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन रहता है फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, फॉर ओनली दोज हु आर नॉट वर्किंग, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, वो रहता है व्हाट आर योर टीचर्स ओपिनियन अबाउट यू। आपके टीचर्स आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं। तो कैंडिडेट्स काफी कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि क्या लिखे क्या नहीं लिखे। तो आज के सेशन में मैं यहाँ पे 10 सैंपल आंसर्स आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी ताकि आपको क्लैरिटी आ जाए कि अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन मिलता है, आई मीन डेफिनेटली दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड, तो आपको घर से कैसे आंसर्स प्रिपेयर करके जाना है ताकि आप वहां जाके बिना कोई हेडेक के आराम से आंसर्स लिख सको। So we will start with the first sample answer for this STT question, what your teachers think about you. My teachers view me as a diligent and hardworking student. They appreciate my consistent efforts to excel in academics. They often mention my punctuality and discipline in completing assignments and projects on time. My teachers believe that I am attentive in class and actively participate in discussions. They see me as a student who is eager to learn and always asks insightful questions. My teachers commend my ability to grasp complex concepts quickly. They have noticed my leadership qualities when I take the initiative in group activities and projects. My teachers think I'm respectful and courteous towards them and my peers. They appreciate my willingness to help fellow students with with their studies. Overall, they believe that I have the potential to succeed in any field I choose, including the armed forces. So, very positive review you could see that you have, that if you write this answer, the psychologist will get of you and your qualities. The sample answer 2 for this SDT question can be, my teachers considered me to be a highly motivated and self-driven individual. They often praise my determination to achieve my academic goals. My teachers have observed that I have set high standards for myself and work diligently to meet them. They believe that my strong work ethic is one of my defining qualities. My teachers appreciate my proactive approach to learning, such as seeking extra materials and clarification when needed. They see me as a student who is not afraid of challenges and always looks for ways to improve. My teachers think I'm well organized and manage my time efficiently or effectively. They have noticed my ability to balance academics with extracurricular activities. My teachers commend my communication skills and articulate way of expressing ideas. Overall, they see me as a focused and ambitious student ready to take on the rigors of a military career. तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा ambitious हो, आपके बहुत high set goals है, तो आप ये आंसर आसानी से लिख सकते हैं। Next, the third sample answer for this SDT question can be, my teachers view me as a responsible and dependable student. They appreciate my reliability in taking on tasks and responsibilities. My teachers often mention my consistent attendance and punctuality. They believe that I am disciplined and maintain a structured approach to my studies. My teachers have observed that I am respectful and courteous in my interactions with them and my classmates. They see me as a student who is always willing to volunteer for class activities and events. My teachers think I'm a good team player and work well in group projects. They appreciate my ability to collaborate effectively with others. My teachers believe that my responsibility and dependability will serve me well in a military career. Overall, they see me as a trustworthy student who can be counted on in any situation. तो अगर अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा लॉयल हो, ट्रस्टवर्दी हो, रिस्पॉन्सिबल स्टूडेंट हो, आप पे टीचर्स और क्लासमेट्स आपके डिपेंड कर सकते हैं आपके बातों पे, आपके काम पे, तो आप ये आंसर इजीली लिख सकते हो। Moving on to sample answer number 4 for this SDT question. My teacher consider me to be an intelligent and inquisitive student. They appreciate my curiosity and eagerness to learn new things. My teachers often commend my ability to understand and analyze complex topics. They believe that my intellectual curiosity drives me to seek deeper knowledge and understanding. My teachers have noticed my enthusiasm for participating in academic competitions and quizzes. They see me as a student who is passionate about my subjects and always willing to go the extra mile. My teachers think I'm a critical thinker and often provide unique perspectives in class discussions. They appreciate my habit of reading widely and bringing new information to the classroom. My teachers believe that my inquisitiveness will help me excel in the dynamic environment of the armed forces. Overall, they see me as a bright and curious student with a thirst for knowledge. तो अगर आप intelligent हो, बहुत bright student हो, आपको पढ़ने में बहुत ज़्यादा interest है, आपको knowledge के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डिजायर है, आपको नॉलेज गेन करने में और नॉलेज बांटने में बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, तो आप ये आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Next sample answer that we go to is the fifth sample answer for SDT question. My teachers view me as a confident and articulate student. They often mention my ability to express my thoughts clearly and confidently. For those students who are very good in communication, है ना, जो बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्रेशन दे पाते हैं अपनी बातों को, कह पाते हैं टीचर से. My teachers appreciate my active participation in class discussions and debates. They believe that my communication skills are one of my strongest assets. My teachers have noticed my ability to present ideas and arguments effectively. They see me as a student who can engage an audience and convey information convincingly. My teachers think I'm a good listener and respond thoughtfully to others' viewpoints. They appreciate my ability to facilitate discussions and keep them productive. My teachers believe that my confidence and communication skills will help me in a leadership role in a military. Overall, they see me as a poised and articulate student ready to take on challenges. तो जैसे मैंने कहा, अगर आप उन स्टूडेंट्स में से हो जो बात बहुत अच्छा कर लेते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, ठीक है, तो आप ये आंसर लिख सकते हो. Next answer is sample answer 6 for this STT question. My teachers consider me to be a creative and innovative student. They appreciate my ability to think outside the box and come up with original ideas. My teachers often commend my creative approach to solving problems and completing projects. They believe that my creativity is one of my unique strengths. My teachers have noticed my enthusiasm for participating in arts and cultural activities. They see me as a student who brings a fresh perspective to class discussion. My teachers think I'm resourceful and can find innovative solutions to challenges. They appreciate my ability to adapt and come up with new ideas in different situations. My teachers believe that my creativity will help me excel in the armed forces where innovative thinking is valued. Overall, they see me as a creative and dynamic student with a flair for innovation. तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे ये किन के लिए है. अगर आपके अंदर क्रिएटिविटी लेवल बहुत हाई है, बहुत क्रिएटिव इंडिविजुअल हो और आपकी क्रिएटिविटी सबको पता है, स्कूल में दिखाई देते हैं, कॉलेज में आपके क्लासमेट्स टीचर्स आपको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, तो आप इजीली आंसर लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. The next is sample answer 7 for the SDT question. What are your teachers' opinion about you? My teachers view me as a disciplined and focused student. They appreciate my ability to stay focused on my studies and maintain a high level of concentration. My teachers often mention my commitment to academic excellence. They believe that my discipline is one of my key strengths. My teachers have observed my consistent performance in exams and assignments. They see me as a student who is dedicated to achieving my goals. My teachers think I'm able to manage my time effectively and balance multiple responsibilities. They appreciate my ability to stay calm and composed under pressure. My teachers believe that my discipline and focus will serve me well in a military career. Overall, they see me as a determined and focused student ready to take on the challenges of military training. तो आपकी डिटर्मिनेशन, आपकी डिसिप्लिन, आपकी फोकस, इसकी बात हो रही है. तो अगर आप ऐसे इंडिविजुअल हो जिसमें ये सारे गुण हैं, तो आप ये लिख सकते हो. Next answer is sample answer 8. My teachers consider me to be a collaborative and supportive student. They appreciate my ability to work well with others and contribute positively to group activities. तो basically अगर आप टीम प्लेयर हो, आपको ग्रुप में काम करना बहुत पसंद है या ग्रुप में बहुत अच्छे से आप अडेप्ट करके काम कर सकते हो, ठीक है, सो आप ये आंसर लिख सकते हैं. My teachers often commend my teamwork skills and willingness to help my classmates. They believe that my collaborative nature is one of my strongest attributes. My teachers have noticed my ability to lead group projects and ensure everyone is involved. They see me as a student who values cooperation and mutual support. My teachers think I'm empathetic and understanding towards others' perspectives. They appreciated my ability to mediate conflicts and find common ground. My teachers believe that my collaborative skills will help me build strong relationships in the military. Overall, they see me as a supportive and team oriented student, ready to excel in a group setting. Next sample answer is sample answer 9. My teachers view me as a disciplined and focused student. They appreciate my ability to stay focused on my studies and maintain a high level of concentration. My teachers often mention my commitment to academic excellence. They believe that my discipline is one of my key strengths. My teachers have observed my consistent performance in exams and assignments. तो अगर आप बहुत अच्छे मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट हो, अच्छा रिजल्ट लाते हो अपने एकेडमिक्स में, तो आप ये मेंशन कर सकते हैं. They have seen me as a student who is dedicated to achieving my goals. My teachers think I'm able to manage my time effectively and balance multiple responsibilities. अगर आप multitask करो, that is. They appreciate my ability to stay calm and composed under pressure. My teachers believe that my discipline and focus will serve me well in a military career. Overall, they see me as a determined and focused student ready to take on the challenges of military training. Coming now to the last sample answer, that is sample answer 10. Okay, for this SDT question. My teachers view me as a compassionate and empathetic student. They appreciate my kindness and willingness to help others. तो अगर आप बहुत हेल्पिंग नेचर के हो, फ्रेंडली नेचर के हो, लोगों को हेल्प करना आपको पसंद है, तो ये आंसर आपके लिए है. My teachers often mention my supportive nature towards classmates who are struggling. They believe that my empathy is one of my defining qualities. My teachers have observed my active involvement in community service and social initiatives. अगर आप social service करना पसंद करते हो, they see me as a student who is committed to making a positive impact. My teachers think I'm understanding and considerate in my interactions with others. They appreciate my ability to listen and offer support when needed. My teachers believe that my compassion will help me build strong bonds in the armed forces. Overall, they see me as a caring and empathetic student ready to serve others in a meaningful way. तो आई होप अब अभी आपको पता चल गया है अगर ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपको कैसे आंसर्स लिखने हैं. आई वुड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट अगर आप 10 आंसर्स पढ़ के आपको लग रहा है कि सारे गुण मेरे अंदर कम से कम है, तो आप जो क्वालिटीज को अपने साथ रिलेट कर पा रहे हो इन 10 आंसर्स मिला के आप उन क्वालिटीज को रेफर कर सकते हैं और उनको अपने सैंपल आंसर में जो आप खुद अपने टेलर मेड अपने लिए बनाओगे उसमें आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. Now, for your upcoming SSB interview, I would suggest you to join our SSB interview online course because like this only you can be able to prepare for your upcoming SSB in a much more effective and strong manner. प्लस आप हमारे साथ लाइव क्लासेस में भी ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं और हमारे ट्यूटर्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करके अपनी प्रैक्टिस को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकते हैं. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी अदर रिटन डिफेंस एग्जाम उसके लिए भी कोर्सेस हमारे ऐप के थ्रू आपको मिल जाएंगे. सो डाउनलोड आवर एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स ऐप टुडे एंड यूज द कोड warrior10 to get yourself enrolled into the any course that you want so that you get 10% off on that course. That was it from my side. I hope to see you very soon with something helpful, informative and useful for your upcoming SSB interview. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.